Well, rainy Saturday up here outside of Filthy, and I was just, thinking, how can I go ahead and do this hate week video against the Arizona Redbirds? Yeah, I'm not feeling threatened by this game at all. There's some things we needed to work on, and we'll work on them. I'm pretty sure. There's some things we had to do. There's some motivation that needs to happen and everything else like that. And I believe that that divisional game that they may or may not have taken lightly is going to be a motivating factor for this week. I saw how these Redbirds played the Beagles. I really did. It is what it is. But now it's time for us to come back, defend the house, step up. Some people may have memories of that game in Arizona where our boy got his leg broke, block punt, getting ready to make that move. It is what it is. Those things are in the past. But this team they've got some folks on this team that are just happy to be playing football, happy to be moving in a positive direction, and I'm thrilled to see that. I am very, very thrilled to see that. But it's time. It's time. That show me state has once again reared its ugly head. Show me what you can do. Bounce back from adversity and do what you need to do. Enough said. Now I just want to talk about some people I know. Some people you all know out here in the TTC. Our buddy and yours. The Singing Giants fan. You're a funny guy. You're a funny guy. It amazes me that there are many times when you aren't even playing us, but out of your pie hole spits some garbage about us. You're amazing. It's just fantastic to watch you work, because you talk about people from an earlier time here in the TTC that are coming back making videos and everything, but yet and still you're bringing back all your brethren to make videos. Well, holy shit. What the hell does that mean? Guess that means that you can do it, but nobody else can. I told you, you're a funny guy. Well, some people say it, some people do it, but it's okay. We love having you because you're a funny guy, and one of the things about that too, you being a funny guy, watching the complete and utter dismantlement and destruction of your team. That's some funny stuff. I love it. So, guess you're making a video about some other people. Mr. Fire Colette. He's funny too, up there in the frozen tundra making videos. He was a funny guy back then. A little crazy, a little twisted in the head. But we all knew that. I think some of us all are a little twisted in the head. But that's okay. You know why it's okay that we're twisted in the head? You know why? Because that's what makes this fun. Because it's what we do. And you know what? Just like the man said, we ain't no joke. We're not a joke for you, and you, and you. We're out here doing our thing and enjoying it. So, Sunday, Arizona Cardinals. Come on down to the house. Come enjoy something. come get some. Okay? Old NFC East rival. Love to have you. Want it to be done. Fans, let's take it as it is. Let's enjoy this. It's a ride we've been waiting for a long time. It's a ride that we've been looking for a long time. It's a Disney e-ticket. Pay your money. Get all your girls in their training bras and sit down and watch it. Because it's going to be the best there is. Okay? This is Merv. Sending some love and shouts out to you. Y'all have a good one. See you next week.